Converting between fractions and decimals, an introduction. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video on converting between fractions and decimals. In this video, we will explore the process of converting fractions to decimals and vice versa. Understanding this skill is essential for effective communication in English, as it allows us to express numbers in different forms. So, let's get started. Converting fractions to decimals involves expressing a fraction as a decimal number. This can be done by performing a simple division operation. Here's how it works. 1. Take the numerator of the fraction, which is the top number, and divide it by the denominator, which is the bottom number. 2. Perform the division operation to obtain the decimal equivalent of the fraction. 3. Round the decimal to the desired degree of accuracy, if necessary. Let's look at an example to illustrate this process. Example 1. Converting 3/4 to a decimal. To convert 3/4 to a decimal, we divide 3 by 4. 3 divided by 4 equals 0.75. The decimal equivalent of 3/4 is 0.75. Remember, when converting fractions to decimals, you can use a calculator or perform the division mentally. Converting decimals to fractions involves expressing a decimal number as a fraction. This process may require a bit more mathematical manipulation, but it's straightforward once you understand the steps. Let's take a look. 1. Examine the decimal number and determine its place value. Identify the digit in the tenths, hundredths, thousandths, etc. position. 2. Write the decimal number as a fraction with the digit in the appropriate place value as the numerator and the corresponding power of 10 as the denominator. 3. Simplify the fraction, if possible, by dividing both the numerator and denominator by their greatest common divisor. Let's work through an example to make it clearer. Example 2. Converting 0.625 to a fraction. To convert 0.625 to a fraction, we see that the digit 5 is in the thousandths place. So, we write 0.625 as the fraction 625 1/1000ths. Simplifying the fraction gives us 5/8. Remember, when converting decimals to fractions, it's crucial to consider the place value and simplify the fraction, if needed. And there you have it. We've explored the process of converting between fractions and decimals. Being able to convert numbers between these two forms is an essential skill in English language learning. It allows you to express quantities accurately and precisely. Remember, when converting fractions to decimals, divide the numerator by the denominator. When converting decimals to fractions, identify the place value and write it as a fraction. And don't forget to simplify your fraction when necessary. We hope this video has been helpful in improving your understanding of converting between fractions and decimals. Practice this skill regularly, and soon you'll be able to confidently express numbers in both forms. Thank you for watching, and until next time.